welcome back to VybezwitR.E.D, real enjoyable dining. And you guys already know it's about taking the food we love from out there and bringing it back home in here so we can enjoy our own delicious cooking and clean cooking. So today I have a video on a staple in every house, which is white rice. It's one of my older videos, so don't come for me with the weight exercise band I have on. I tend to wear it when I'm moving around, so keep your comments to yourself. Don't come for me unless I sent for you guys. Anyway, enjoy the video, and you guys already know what to do, like, subscribe, all that other jazz. And listen, let me know what else you guys want to see. Thanks, and like my mother always says, let's get cooking, sister.
All right, guys, we're going to start with 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil. I know that may seem like a lot, but trust me, it's not. It imparts some great shine to the white rice, as well as ensuring that it's not dry. And to that, we're going to add 1 whole yellow onion, which gives it great depth in terms of the flavor. So I did clean and chop it, and I'm just going to get that sauteed into my hot oil until it's a nice brown color. And as you can see, I'm using my steel pan, which is a Caribbean staple in every Caribbean house, but use whatever you're comfortable with. So let's go ahead and speed this up a little bit. Once our onions are nice and translucent, we're gonna go ahead and add some chicken broth, organic and unsalted. For my vegans, you can go ahead and use vegetable stock. And we're gonna go ahead and add that to our pot. Also, this is about a 32-ounce box. And on top of that, of course, we are going to start adding our cups of water. So for about 6.5 cups of rice, I used about 5 cups of water. Too much water will make it too mushy. Too little water, it won't cook properly. So measure your amount of water properly. You should have more rice than water. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add my salt. Don't add too much. You're gonna taste as you go to make sure that it's the right amount of salt. Once that water starts boiling, we're gonna go ahead and add in our rice. I did wash my rice off camera. You'll see all of that, cloudy white water come out. And I am using Jasmine rice. You can use basmati rice if you prefer. So go ahead and stir the rice up a little bit. This is the best time to check to see if you need to add a little more rice. I had a little bit of too much water at this point, so I went ahead and added a little more, which is where I got my 6.5 cups of rice. And just stir it just a little. If you stir too much, you can cause the rice to be mushy. Stir it enough just to get those clumps out of the rice, and just get the rice nicely incorporated, and you are good to go. Make sure you taste as you go, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and add some butter. I'm adding about 2.5 tablespoons of butter. You can add less if you like. This is vegan butter, so to all my vegans out there. And you're gonna go ahead and make sure you just get that butter incorporated all over into your rice so it's evenly nice and buttery in that pot. Then I'm gonna go ahead, after tasting, add a little bit more salt. I'll let that water boil down on high heat until we can get that water nice and almost dried out. You'll know it's ready to cover and simmer when it looks like this. You can barely see the water, and this is just enough water for us to go ahead and cover the pot. I'm gonna turn my heat down to medium-low, and I'm gonna let the heat and steam do the rest to cook some nice, fluffy but grainy white rice. Yummy. Rice has been simmering on medium-low heat for about 15 minutes. And I'm gonna just check it out and grab my spoon and just move that rice around, making sure to get everything from the bottom and the sides and bringing them up, just to ensure that everything is evenly cooked. So again, don't mix too much, but you do wanna just go ahead and grab the rice and bring them, whatever's on the bottom, to the top. And once you have that done, go ahead and cover the pot up again. Put the heat on low heat, and your rice should be ready in about another 10 to 15 more minutes. After the final 15 minutes, this is what your finished product should look like. It's nice and grainy, it's not mushy, and it's delicious. Drop a comment below and let me know how you enjoyed.